Short A story time. Let's listen. This is my dad. Now read with me. This is my dad. It's your turn. Good job. Listen. His name is Sam. Read with me. His name is Sam. It's your turn. Great job. Listen. Sam has a tan van. Read with me. Sam has a tan van. It's your turn. Good job. Listen. Sam likes his hat. Now read with me. Sam likes his hat. Your turn to read. Good. Listen. Sam has a pet cat. Read with me. Sam has a pet cat. It's your turn. Now let's read the story. This is my dad. His name is Sam. Sam has a tan van. Sam likes his hat. Sam has a pet cat. Now let's read together. This is my dad. His name is Sam. Sam has a tan van. Sam likes his hat. Sam has a pet cat. Now it's your turn to read.
Yay!
Well done! You're now a reading superstar. Like, share, and subscribe to Brain Pops.